Hello and welcome to the Moving Straight Ahead Rewrite Math video tutorial for page 10. This video will be reviewing writing equations based off of a situation and introducing and reinforcing a quicker way to find the y-intercept in that given equation. In the previous pages, we used function tables to find the y-intercept. We knew that when we plugged in 0 in the independent variable, and in this case right here for this problem, it's x, the y-intercept would be spit out on the dependent variable, and in this case, the y. So without actually constructing a function table here, if we put 0 in for x, 6 times 0 is 0, plus 9 would give you y equals 9. So the y-intercept for this problem is 9. The same holds true in the second equation. If x is 0, which is the independent variable, 4 times 0 is 0, so y would be 0, therefore the y-intercept would be 0. And for those of you that have forgotten, the y-intercept is where the line produced from the equation crosses the y-axis. Now looking at these two examples, we see a nice little shortcut here. We found out that the y-intercept was 9, and right here 9 is being added to the equation. Here it's a little more tricky, but we found out that the y-intercept was 0, and 4x is the same thing as 4x plus 0. So you can think of it as whatever's being added to the equation is going to be the y-intercept. So if you need to visualize y equals 4x, to look like y equals 4x plus 0, you can, because that'll help you get the y-intercept. So that's our little shortcut that we're going to go through in this video. Alright, so the directions for this problem. Step 1, convert the situations into equations, which is review. We've done it many times before. Step 2 is give the y-intercept, which is what we were just going over up here. Alright, number 1 says, Ring Me Cell Phone Company charges $5 per month plus 2 cents per minute used during the month. Your equation should represent the total cost for any number of minutes used. This situation might be slightly more difficult than your typical situation because it usually helps you to look for the word per and you realize you're multiplying. However, it appears twice in here. The problem gave us a real tiny clue here. It says during the month. So they really want this equation for 1 month, so we don't have to worry about the per month here. We need to worry about the per minute, because that's going to happen repeatedly throughout the month. Now the second sentence pretty much spells out exactly what you need to do. It says your equation should represent the total cost for any number of minutes used. Keeping in mind that you can pick any letters that you want, I chose C to represent total cost and M to represent minutes used. So to get our total cost, we have to multiply the minutes by 2 cents. So for every minute, we're getting charged 2 cents. Plus, we had a $5 per month automatic charge. So this would be our equation for the above situation. Now remember, this right here is the independent variable, this is the dependent, because the cost depends on how many minutes you used. So we could plug in 0 for m and figure out what the y-intercept is. However, hopefully now you trust the shortcut, so our y-intercept would simply be 5. This concludes the video tutorial for Moving Straight Ahead Rewrite, page 10. Number 1.